Hi, I'm Azada, and today I'm sharing a simple and delicious spinach pasta recipe with you. This pasta has a smooth, delicate flavor that you'll absolutely love. After one bite, you'll want to make it again and again. The garlic doesn't need much cooking. Just saute it briefly until the raw smell is gone and it becomes fragrant. Add the mushrooms and start sautéing. Cook them until all their moisture evaporates and they become tender and lightly golden. Add the pasta to boiling water and cook until fully tender. After about 15 minutes, once the pasta is perfectly cooked, drain it. If you've enjoyed and found this video helpful so far, don't forget to give it a like. Subscribe to the channel so you won't miss our next delicious tutorials. Finally, add the drained pasta to the sauce. Stir well until everything is evenly coated. Let it simmer together for about 10 minutes so the pasta absorbs the sauce and all the flavors come together beautifully.